I'm going to show you how to use one of my alcohol stoves. What you need is a aluminum pot. This is a vintage Boy Scout one. One of my modified wind guard pot stand. Need some alcohol, can of soup. And today we'll be cooking cream of mushroom. First, you need to fill your little alcohol stove full of alcohol. This takes a little bit. Alright, so the stove has been filled. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's just a little bit of liquid up there at the top. So when I light it, more than likely the holes will have flames coming out of them. And of course the center will. So I got my pot here. Pot's clean. Got my cream mushroom soup. I'm going to show you how I do the process of cooking my soup from my alcohol stove. I already measured out a glass of milk, so pour that in there. Well, a can of milk. Measured out a can of milk. And the spoon is going to be a bitch to break up, so. But oh well. I ain't carrying a fork with me while I'm out there in the far woods. It's good enough. Once it gets hot enough, it'll break up. And I'm going to go ahead and light my stove. I already filled with alcohol. I just tipped it over a little bit so the sides are going to light up. You guys probably can't see that because it's daylight. But once I put my wind guard pot stand on it, you'll see the flames. There's heat. I'll let that go ahead and burn for a little bit, at least for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to put my pot on there. By the way, it's 1:49. Alright, it's 1:52. Flames are heated up. I don't know if you can see that. At least the flames are coming out of the holes. And I got my pot of soup I'm putting on top. Make sure it's even. Stir it up a few times. Lick the spoon because it's my own. Oh yeah, it's going to be so good. Take your lid, put it on top there. 1:53. See how long this takes. While that's cooking, you go ahead and scrape the inside of the can. The stuff that you didn't get. It's going to be so good. Oh yeah. Fucking yeah. Alrighty, here's my watch. It's 2:02. Started at 1:49. Good, stir this. One thing about cooking with these alcohol stoves, man, the fumes burn your eyes. There's that. Taking a lick of my favorite spoon. It's getting warm here. I'll show you this flame. Lit back on here. I think you can see that. It's pretty hot. The holes are helping it along with the flame. I mean, there's flames shooting in through them holes. Put that on there. And I'll be back with you. Okay, it's 2:10. 21 minutes into it. Sounds like dinner is flying over. At least another dinner. Yep, dinner's flying over. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is steam coming from this pot. 2 minutes into it. 2:11. I'll let it go for a little bit longer. I'll even go get the thermometer just to show you how hot the shit is. Haha. Oh yeah. $2.13. Thermometer. Excuse me. Ooh, it's going to keep on going. 161 degrees. 62, 63, 64. Can I get 66? I have 67, 68. I'll show you how these flames look. Whew, I ain't licking that hot thing. So I don't even know if you guys can see that. Oh well. Put that back on there. I'll check back. Now you can see it's like 37 degrees, 38 outside here. For 175, that's pretty hot for have soup. Let's see how much it goes. 195, 196, 7, 8, 9. Almost 200. It's about ready to boil. You guys get the picture. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. There's the flames going on in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it or see it. Once you start hearing that bubbling, it'll pretty much go out soon. Well, there you have it. That's my alcohol stove. And that's the wind guard pot stand that I make. And it does cook a pot of soup. Well, I went ahead and added some crackers. I'll tell you what, that little alcohol stove, that sure does make a nice can of soup. Hot. Put a little pepper and I guess I can't say that name. That'd be advertising. Some hot sauce. Excellent. If I was out in the woods today, out camping, hiking, fishing, hunting. Be the best part of the day.